Hey everybody, and welcome back to Abandoned Oz. Welcome back to Darling Harbour, and welcome back to another update on the demolition of Sydney's Harbourside shopping centre. This is April week 2. As I mentioned in the last video, a couple of people had suggested that I do go back to Harbourside each week to get sort of step-by-step or give step-by-step sort of updates each week on the demolition of this shopping centre. It is evening. It is the 12th of April 2023. It is a Wednesday. I know it's a little bit dark. I wasn't going to come here now because of, it's getting dark. But it was the Easter long weekend. I don't expect that there'll be many changes. The shell is still there, like with the thing, the Hard Rock logo up there is still mounted. We'll do the usual route. Oh, okay, we can't do the usual route because it's closed. Alright, well, something a little bit different. Let's walk up a little bit, get past these people, unless they're going to be one of those step-by-step people that follow me the entire fucking way. Alright. They have definitely dug into the place a little bit more. Now they're walking extremely slow. They have dug into the place a lot more. You can completely see Novotel now. They've like literally just slowed right down, man. What the fuck are you doing? Get to a sort of point where I can show a little bit more. Alright. Let me zoom in. Not much left of this side now. I dare say that maybe by the time I do the update next week, it'll be... that part will be mostly gone, I guess. Don't worry, I'll do the next update in full daylight. Just thinking that this time around, as I said, Easter long weekend, they probably would have had a few days off, so there wouldn't be a great deal of difference. And plus I'd be able to see sort of the main part that I'm sort of looking at, which is the other end, which is where I think will be the biggest sort of changes. I'm going to try to get in front of these people because they're just sort of one of those, they're like flies and on that sticky paper, you know what I mean? So just dodge those people. Oh man, okay. Just down for a second until I get to an alright spot where I can show you a few bits and pieces. Okay, good. Fence, can you? They've started gouging at this bottom part a little bit more since last week. Again, I think by next week's update, I'll probably aim to film it maybe, I don't know, not sure yet, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Give it a full 7 or 8 days. I think we'll notice some bigger differences in the demolition. I'm going away in at the beginning of May for about 10 days, I think. 10 or 11, I don't know. So it'll be some time until I can do another update for you all. Just a shorter video today. I have a lot on for the rest of the week, hence why I'm doing this now. Otherwise, I actually would have just gone maybe tomorrow. Anyway, that's the monorail stop's still there. No more of it's missing. You pretty much get the gist of all this. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Next video will be a bit more in depth, a lot more light, and some bigger differences. The Easter long weekend, yeah, they would have had some time off. But thank you for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Abandoned Oz, and I'll catch you very soon. I hope you all had an amazing Easter, and I hope you all are happy and well and all of that good stuff. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Catch you soon.